Hello and welcome to Fairywill information booth. Today we've got the Fairywill oral irrigator for using water to floss your teeth. Now I've got crooked teeth and I've looked at these and I finally said I'm going to give it a go because I'm fed up with not being able to floss back of my teeth easily. So we're going to unbox this, test it and give a review on it and see what it's like. So let's get it open. So obviously the maker is Fairywill. Just looking at the box, it's a pink and white one. You can get a solid black one, but this one was a couple of pounds cheaper, so I thought I don't really care what the colour is. And it's the newer one out, so I'm gonna have a new colour, and it goes with all the other white bits and bobs in the bathroom as well anyway. So let's get it all unboxed, and you can get these on Amazon. For this one, the white and pink, it was $29.99. For the black one, I think off the top of my head, and I'll put on the sides here somewhere, that it was $32.99. I think I'm correct in saying. So let's get this unboxed. I've got a little USB charger. So I'll start this and then we'll get it on charge as soon as possible. Because to be fair, it needs a good proper charge. We have, well, that's nice and well printed. We've got the Fairywill warranty card and membership. So you just fill this in, I presume, online for the warranty. So warranty responds within 24 hours. 45-day no reason to refund, and the 12-month warranty for the item. So that's quite nice. So you know you've got a bit of security if you're not sure about the item. So we have 1, 2, 3 different colours as well. Heads. And we have, there's 2 in a pack, so we've got 6 in total. That's a good amount, I think. Then we've got the actual item, all nicely bagged. Oh, it's got plastic protecting it as well. So let's get this item open. Oh, wait a minute, I got it wrong. There's 4 double packs, so you've got 8 in total. So you've got tons of spares. And you can buy extras as well. Right, so that's the item. Let's put a head on top. Keep a nice plastic seal around there. Straight fits. There we go. So there we go, that clicks on and this adjusts all in different angles. So let me get my head out of the way. That all turns so you can adjust it for fitting better in your mouth. That's the water container. So that holds a good amount of water. And it looks very easy to clean. So let's put this in here. Go through, it might have a residual bit of charge. So we have the on-off button, the mode button, and by looks of mode there is clean, soft and massage. So you've got different options there. And that's your charge port, and they've been wondering what that is. So it's got a nice protector on there to stop water getting in, and we plug it in there. So let's see if it's got a bit of charge. Yeah, it's got a bit of charge, but I'll give it a couple of hours charge and then we'll come back and I'll show you. We'll probably get water everywhere, but we'll see how powerful it is. So I'll see you in a moment. Now let's give this a water flosser a good test on the teeth. See what it's like. God, that works well. Please spend the money. Let's do my bottom ones. My bottom ones are the worst because they're crooked here. I'm not going to show you because I'm not going to embarrass myself. Excuse me, the water all over the face, but as normal, we're going to give you an honest review. So I'm save your money on floss and get one of these. Very happy. And we'll jump down to downstairs and we'll go through afterthoughts downstairs. Right, we're back again. We've just come downstairs. You've seen the video of me testing it. I don't know what much more to say. For the money, you cannot go wrong. I'm not getting paid for this review. These are bits and bobs that I buy that I want to get and test out for me because I've got awkward teeth, and brilliant item. I'm going to list all the facts and bits and bobs. 4-hour initial charge. Well, give it a good overnight charge, I would say, for the first time, so it gets the battery nice and warmed up. Also, from totally flat, it'll need 4 hours to charge. I've just given it a quick go without a full proper charge, and it's brilliant. It does what I need it to do. The only thing that you need to say is not for children and not for young children, not for children under the age of 8. It does state that in the instructions, but definitely no younger children, because it's just too it's going to be too powerful for them. But I must admit, you don't need to have it on high. I've got really close teeth, and just on the soft mode, it did work wonders. My teeth all feel clean in between now, so I will be using this every day. Brilliant item. So thank you, Fairywill, and I hope a few people watch this video because it's a good honest one for you. So thank you and goodbye.